Premier Bank Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it. This card is not flashy, but that is what makes it interesting. Premier Bank credit cards are often used for building or rebuilding credit. They are easier to qualify for than premium cards. You earn basic rewards, build payment history, and improve your credit profile over time. The downside is higher interest rates and fewer perks. If your goal is to build credit, this card can be useful. If you want luxury benefits, skip it. Verdict: worth it for credit building.